think it's trouble. Deep boy fresh with it on. Know how I talk out. Bullshit is not important. What I'ma lock out. Don't play with the. Someone come on throw my heart. I think it's trouble.
Go ahead. Bro, what? That's a V8? Bro, is that a V8? Oh shit! Bro, my boy got a sleeper! Remember, Chris? I heard a supercharger! Oh shit, okay. Okay, this about to be a lit cruise. Huh? Huh?
I can put my classic there.
Yeah, man, Irving to the man. I'm a boss. Damn, boys. Yo, somebody lead. Let's get this trip started, man. Let's get this trip started, guys. I'm putting the camera. Okay. Son. Song. Son. Look at him. Oh shit. Boy's taking off. Damn. Go, Corey. Go, Corey. Corey, man, I saw something for the very side ag. Camera is too high. Let me adjust it real quick, you know what I'm saying? What you guys think? Should we use sport or not? Oh, my gloss is all the way over there now. Damn. Don't mind it. Damn, guys, we got the whole lineup out here. Oh boy. Ooh, Hellcat. You guys probably have seen some videos already, but I'm gonna miss the Hellcat, man. When it is time to make the decision, I'm gonna definitely miss the cat for sure. Damn, that's that freaking movement muscle, you know? That's that freaking V8 thing. Ooh, look at the C8. There, boy. Thumbnail. Okay, let's enjoy this trip, man. Hey, buddy. Rose. Yes, sir. Let's enjoy this cruise, man. enjoy this video, man. We're just cruising down the street in my 6.2. It ain't a 6.4, it's a 6.2, you know what I'm saying? Holy shit. Felix about to kill him. Hey buddy. Yeah, this is just like yesterday. But them videos probably days apart.
More people.
Way more people today, bro. Yo, that thing's a V8, dog. Oh. Hey. Okay then. Bro, the turbo. Look at Chris. Look at Chris. Come over. I know they're gonna take off. I know they're gonna take off. Especially this boy Chris. Go, 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 go over. Come on, Chris, come over. Come over, bitch, come over. Come over, bitch, come over. You want it? Want it? Ready? Ready? Oh, we're cute too. Ready, slow down. Ready? Ready? cars, yo. Damn, boy. Damn, boy. Look at that boy Fast Life Prince going out like that, though. Boy, damn, Q-Yo's gonna cut me off like that. Go, Remy, go. Boy, just cut me off like that, though. I always see this building when I'm passing on the highway. Okay, there's food trucks, signature whips. So the car meet is this way. Okay, cool. Stay tuned for the car meet video, folks. That was the cruise one, you know what I'm saying? Little 18-minute drive. Them pop sounds nice on the cat. Oh shit, we're at Subaru. I want to test drive a BRZ. Oh, Supsu. And the M3. So I'm guessing it's this way. Hi. Hi. We made it. Catch the good side. I said old side, old side. You're the man them. Oh, they got a car wash part? Oh, that's hella good. Cause I'm gonna need that. Oh, they got some nice cars. They got the M3s and shit. Can this hold the whole crew? Hopefully it can. Shit. We here, baby. Let's see what's out here.